Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry noodles at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of noodles, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, and 2 cups of broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also, prepare 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's build that incredible curry base. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onion, garlic, and ginger in 1 tablespoon of oil until they are fragrant. Then, add 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, stirring for about 1 minute to really bring out its flavors. Now, incorporate your protein, like 200 grams of chicken or tofu, cooking it until it's almost done. Finally, pour in the 400 milliliters of coconut milk and 2 cups of broth. While your curry simmers, prepare your noodles. Cook about 200 grams of your chosen noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Back to the curry. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the flavor. Let the curry mixture gently simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Always taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference. Now for the best part, serving your homemade curry noodles. Divide the perfectly cooked noodles evenly among your serving bowls. Carefully ladle the rich, hot curry broth and your chosen protein over the noodles. For a fresh finish, garnish with some fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. You can also add a soft boiled egg or crispy fried shallots for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.